family, and friends. This is Beverly Black, and welcome to our channel. So glad you came by today. Today, we are going to be making some meatballs and potatoes. And this is a good dish, something that you can do real quick. So go ahead and preheat that oven to 350 degrees. Get it ready and rocking to go. I want to thank everyone who has come in today, who's watching this video. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. And those who are already in this family, you know how much I love you. And those who are new, come on, hit that red subscribe button and come on and become a part of this family so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. So today we're making meatballs and potatoes. And what you will need is a small pack of hamburger meat. And we have that in the bowl. My hands are clean. I've already washed them. And I'm going to mix with my hands. And or you can use a spoon, or you can put a glove on, whichever way you want to do. Okay, you already have cut up one onion, and we're gonna pour that in here. Dice up one onion, one bell pepper, okay, 2 eggs. Here are my 2 eggs. Put them in here. It's not like making a little meatloaf, you know that? But these will be separate. Okay, we got our 2 eggs. Now we put 2 tablespoons of flour. Here's the flour, and I'm using all purpose. 3 garlic cloves, and I have minced garlic. So I'm just going to pour some of this in here. I didn't cut up any garlic cloves, so that's enough. And after that, we will need a tablespoon of salt. Pour that in there. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here's my olive oil. I'll have 2 tablespoons of it. 1, 2. We're gonna mix this all together. You see it right here in the bowl? We're gonna mix it all together. Then we're gonna make some little meatballs. And like I said, preheat that oven to 350 degrees. This will take about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, we got it all together here. Okay, next I'm gonna get the pan over here so we can make these meatballs. I'll wash my hands a little bit. Get your baking pan and pour some olive oil in your baking pan. And brush it all around. Okay. Move this out of the way. Oh, I'm going to put a little cheese in here with it. About a half a cup. I forgot about that. About a half a cup of cheese. Mix that. This is cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar. And now, we're gonna make some little round meatballs. And put them in the pan. Okay, we have them all patted out, and I have 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Then you take your spoon and you make like a little boat in the middle. You push it down. You push them down in the middle so it be like a little boat thing in there. Move this over a little bit. Because when these get done, we'll lay the potatoes in this. You see right there what I did? And we get ready to put these in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until done. And I'll be back. Okay, the meatballs are out of the oven. We're getting ready to prepare the mashed potatoes rather. So I'm going to mash the potatoes. I boiled 5 potatoes. They were small, they weren't big. Just mash them up together. Then I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of milk. One, 2, 3. Okay. And you can use oregano or was it thyme? I can't. What is it? THYE or something. This one right here. You can use either one, and I'm going to about a teaspoon, or I'll say a half teaspoon, depending on your potato mixture. Okay. And put some cheese into that. A little bit of cheese. About a half a cup. No, a 1/4 of a cup. I keep changing my mind because I'm so used to just dumping. Okay, and now we want to make into balls like we did the meatballs, and put them on, and put this on top of the meatballs. Put this on top of the meatballs. I need 7 of them. Right on top. All of the potatoes have been patted out. They're on the meatball. Now we're going to make the sauce. You need a 1/2 cup of tomato sauce and a 1/2 cup of hot water. Just pour that together. Mix it up. Now we're going to pour it. Now we want to sprinkle some cheese on top of it, a little cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. And we'll put this back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until it starts browning on top. And it is done. So here it is, and we're getting ready to put it back in the oven. The meatballs and potatoes are out of the oven, and you can see them. They look so good. Yes, they do. They are piping hot, so I'm gonna let them cool off a little bit. But thank you everyone for coming by today. The recipe will be down in the description as always. And once again, I want you to know that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Everyone be blessed and prosperous, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing